Okay, we're going to do 13 times 14. So you see 14 at the top and 13 on the bottom. We start with the units column, or the ones, and we've got 3 4s are 12. So we're going to write it 2 in the ones column and a 1 in the tens column, because we have 3 groups of 4 which make 12, and we can exchange 10 of the ones for 1 set of 10. So that's the first bit, and then we've got 3 sets of 10, which is 30. Now they go there, but when you add the one that's already there, you can see that it makes a total of 4. Okay, so there's our first row completed. Now we go to the second row, and we're going to multiply 10. So 10 times 4 is 40. So we've got 4 tens, and although it's difficult to see on that, we put a little 4 here, which is these 4s, and we've got a 0 there because 10 times 4 is 40. There are no 1s. Okay, so we've done that, and now we need to do 10 times 10. 10 times 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. So there's my 100. Now I'm going to put it in to the tens column, but we can already see that we can't have 14 tens in the tens column, so we're going to exchange this 10 tens for 1 set of 100. So that goes there. So we have 4 tens left. That goes there as a big 4, and we have 100. Now we draw a line underneath, and we're now going to add the 2 columns. So 2 and nothing is 2, and 40 added to 40 is 80, and 100 plus nothing is 100, so the answer is 182. Okay, quick change, and we'll do one more sum that's 2 digits by 2 digits. Okay, this time we've got 15, and we're going to multiply it by 14. So 15 times 14. Okay, we start with making 15. And underneath we're going to make 14. Okay, so we're going to start in the units column with 4 groups of 5. 4 groups of 5 are 20. So on your sum it would look like this. So because we've made 20 and we're making for groups of 4, we can make 5 of them, which is 20, and the total is 20, so we get 2 sets of 10 there. Okay, now we have 4 times 10 is 40. So we're going to put that in the tens column, but you can see that when you have the 40 and you add the 20, you end up with 6 groups of 10 in the tens column, which is 60. Okay, so we've done our first one. Now we'll do the second column. 10 times 5, or 10 groups of 5 is 50. So again, we're going to end up with nothing in the ones column, but we've got 5 already in the tens column. It's a little bit tricky to see, but you can see the little 5 there stands for the 5 tens that have been exchanged. Now we have 10 times 10, which is 100. can see already that if we have 10 there and another 5, we've got 15 tens. We can't have 15 tens in the tens column, so we're going to exchange that set of 10 tens for one set of 100, and it still leaves us with 5 tens in the tens column, but we've now got 100 in the hundreds column. Okay, now we can draw a line under there and we're ready to add. Now we might need a bit of exchanging here. Nothing in the units column, but we have got here 6 groups of 10 and 5 groups of 10, which will make it 11 groups of 10, or 110. So they will have to be exchanged. So we'll take 10 of them and we're going to exchange that straight away for 100. So we're going to leave the 10 there. So we've got 10 there, but we've exchanged one set of 10 tens for 100, and then we have 100 plus 100 is 200. So the answer to 15 times 14 is 210.